Thanks, Akal and Nancy, and let's begin with the top lines we're following at this hour. The Reserve Bank of India launches portal to curb illegal collection of money by companies. This website, Sachet, will enable public to obtain information regarding entities who accept deposits, lodge complaints, and also share information regarding illegal acceptance of deposits. Recovery of bad loan is on the top of the government's agenda before going ahead with the consolidation of public sector lenders, says Bank's Board Bureau Chairman Vinod Rai. Gross non-performing assets of commercial banks rose to 7.6% in March 2016. The BSE SME Exchange is expecting 200 listings on its platform by the fiscal end and 150 by the end of this month itself. The stock exchange is looking to raise 500 crore rupees via forthcoming listings of these SMEs. IIT students to now receive interest-free loans. Motion was first proposed by the government under the Vidya Lakshmi scheme. Decisions comes after HRD's former announcement of hiking fee of IIT undergraduate students from 90,000 to 2 lakh rupees per annum. Total accumulative capacity of over 44,000 megawatt have been installed in the country from various renewable energy sources. Government implementing several schemes for the promotion of solar power in the country, including mountain states, says Prime Minister Piyush Goyal. Well, on to some other news now. Well, the last date of filing tax return for the financial year 2015-16 for individuals is the 5th of August, that is today. Tax returns for 2015-16, that's for the assessment year 2016-17, were originally to be filed by July 31st. Now, individuals earning above 5 lakh rupees are required to file their tax returns electronically. All right, let's get you an update on the stock markets now, tell you how they've been performing in trade. We're going to begin with the US pack first, give you an update how that closed in trade yesterday. Well, the US market did manage to close in the green. The S&P 500 as well as the Nasdaq were marginally up, while the Dow Jones pretty much flat with a little bit of a negative bias there. Talking about the European indices, they too managed to close in the green yesterday. The FTSE 100, CAC 40 as well as the DAX all up in yesterday's trade. Talking about the Asian bosses and how they're performing in morning trade, as you can see, all the indices up. The SGX Nifty also trading with a positive bias, which could be reflected in the Indian stock markets today. But talking about the figures for yesterday, where the Sensex and the Nifty are concerned, telling you about how they closed in yesterday's trade, marginally up 17 and 6 points respectively. So that's all we have for you in Finance World today.